I'm Benjy Rickman. I'm Head of Religious Studies at King David High School in Manchester, and I'm also a Chartered Manager. Not easy managing when there's no one to manage, so what have I done the last few weeks? I've made sure that some sort of routine of school life has continued by making videos of assemblies that I might have given to students had they been in front of me. These videos have been quirky, have been entertaining, but I've also tried to remind the students of what school gives them and that they need to search for that at home or with their families. But it's more than that. It's not just giving a sense of routine when our whole lives are being messed up. It's what matters to me. What are the values that matter to me? So as an educator, education is central to everything that I stand for. So I've got a huge pile of books next to my bed that I want to get through, and there are skills that I want to learn, and there are so many free courses online that we can take, and that extends not just to me and my students, but also to my team that I manage. What do I want them to look like when we finish this period of isolation? What could isolation look like? It could be a tremendous growth period in the lives of my team. Everyone can pick an area or several areas that they want to learn and they want to grow from and come back, and our team can be so much more developed and so much more cohesive unit because we've all experienced the joy of learning in our isolation. So although we are isolated, we can still keep a team dynamic. We check in with each other once a week and have an online meeting. And during these meetings, I hope to be able to share what I have learned, and hopefully they will share what they have learned. But by modeling good practice as an educator, my team can feel nourished and enthused. And when we come back together, we'll be an even stronger unit. So I would urge you to think about what are the values that underpin your management or your area of influence, and what would you want your team to look like at the end of this period?